Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and brats, it's a brand new day, New Year's Day 2023. Going to be going back down to the shop here in a little bit, and of course we're always doing things backwards, but got a special treat this morning, stopping in to see the wife. She's actually working on my grandma's house, kind of doing a full remodel. Two different grandmas of mine lived in this house at one point in time. I got a lot of special memories here. But my wife is super talented, super gifted, and she's inside right now. And I don't know what she's doing, but we're going to surprise her. So let's go check it out. Well, I can already tell she's making noise in here. Let's surprise her. Oh my goodness, what have you done?
Oh, I was hoping that was you.
Well, I was hoping it was you. What have you done to this place? This is not how I remembered it as a kid. Well, hello, sweetheart. I thought I'd go ahead and put you on the boob tube this morning, and wow. I don't even know what to say. I mean, what can you say when you walk into something like this? This is actually what our home has felt like for the past year and a half, as my wife has remodeled, then re-remodeled, and different areas of the house, and then she had to go ahead and remodel. But she's again super gifted, super talented. Nice work. Just not enough of it, she would say of me. Oh yeah, there you go. That's going to be great. You got any wise words for the boob tube?
Don't do this.
Don't do this. You know what, kids?
Unless you have a massage therapist.
Well, that's right. You know what? Go out there and develop your mental gifts so that you don't have to physically abuse your body every day. You have got quite the mess. This was actually my dad's bedroom when he was a younger man, a billion years ago. Oh my goodness. This is going to be way better, actually. Hey, we still got the old window weights in there. Check that out. Usually the ropes snap and the weights just drop, and then of course no longer function. Very cool. All right, I'm going to take you on into the living room here real quick. See if she's destroyed it yet. I think actually in here it's just pretty much paint.
Other than stripping wallpaper, there's nothing really in
Stripping
here
wallpaper, I would have just left that alone, but now she's got to take it all off. Oh, that's going to be fun. Living room. Now this is the front door. Comes in off the porch, but you used to walk in from here. Be a couch over here. Grandma had a TV over here, and then you walk into this dining room, and there was a buffet on that wall, a table that took up this entire space, an organ over here, and then you walk into the kitchen, there was another table or two. I don't know how they crammed all that in here, but this was a gathering place for family and friends. Coffee was always on. And just, again, some very special memories here. So, as you can see, the old bathroom is, well, it looks a little better than it did.
That's where the new tub's going to sit, in that closet.
Okay, so she's saying the new tub is going to turn, go in this little cavity here. And so we don't need a closet in the bedroom over there, They make those solder furniture ones that you can put together, In an emergency, just go here.
No, don't. There's
Oh,
no
that's
sewer
right.
below.
There's no sewer. It's been disconnected. What a mess. All right, kids. Well, it's enough of the tour of the wife's place. Any wise words? Anything else? You got nothing.
I got nothing.
She's not really big into this whole getting videoed thing. She's like, why don't you ever video me when I'm all dolled up? I don't know. It's just you're always working, babe. All right, one last look in here. Okay, and again, closet be gone. All right, folks. Well, next time you see me, we'll be down at the shop. All right, everybody, we're back down here in the shop, and well, a little bit ago I told you that, there's sometimes we do things backwards. I don't know, frontwards, backwards, forwards, left, right. Here's the deal. We're in the process of cleaning up the frame, right? Well, it'd sure be a lot easier if we power washed it all down first, right? It would have made even more sense to maybe have rolled it out of here Well, I had 4 tires, you know, for rotation. But we went ahead and did the right thing and ripped the rear end out yesterday. And so I think what we're gonna do this morning is I'm gonna air up that passenger front tire. We're gonna move our rotisserie, and I'm just gonna see if I can He-Man this right outside so that we can power wash on this frame. I think it will speed up the process a lot. So that's what we're gonna do. Anyway, hope you're all doing real well. Again, you know, maybe think about the steps a person should take before you get yourself into a project. Plans and stuff would be maybe appropriate. Anyway, we got no time to talk. We got work to do, so I'm gonna stick you in the old telescopic camera holder thingamajigger and get to work. All right, hope you guys are as ready as I am. Probably not. Maybe I should be as ready as you are. Don't know if that's gonna work either. Let's just see what happens. I don't know if this is a great idea. Probably not. Brilliant. Perfect. We got the frame power washed as good as it's gonna get. I only got half of it on my face. I guess I can show you the frame, maybe some of the stuff. Look at all this garbage that came out of underneath this cross member up front. Well, here's the deal. I think the old junk battery I had in my GoPro probably screwed up some of my footage, but as you can see, been having a good time. And frame cleaned up pretty good. I think I'm going to reshoot this little section. We've got numbered on here, F10 DB12181. And frame cleaned up pretty good.
I think you're missing some parts there, buddy.
Yeah, I tell you what, you ought to come on in and we could probably get that thing put back together this afternoon.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Some parts are still there.
Yeah. You know, the areas I was really concerned about was up in here and, you know, so. I don't know, it's not perfect, but it's way better, kids. And so I think while we've got the power wash set up, gonna open up the garage, get the frame strong-manned back in there, and maybe pull out the rear end and go ahead and do the rear end while we got that set up. So, I'm gonna put you in your holster. We're gonna get back to work. Let's go time lapse. the shop. Rear end, power wash, back in the shop. 32 degrees outside. Maybe not the best day to do what we did, but when things have to be done, could have done that yesterday. We talked about it. Look, it actually wasn't the end of the world picking up the rear of the frame and rolling the thing out the side. I still got a little left in me. Good. So, frame's pretty well cleaned up. I'm gonna get it dried off. Do some final cleaning. Like we gotta patch our mount. One body mount there. A little welding to do in the back. Won't be long though. We'll be ready to, like I said, go full on Craigslist. Woo! Won't be long. We'll go full on Craigslist on this sucker. Some rattle can wire. You guys got any comments, suggestions? You think I might benefit from? Safety violation concerns? Should have had my safety goggles on when I was doing that. Anyhow, we got work to do. I can't be standing around here talking the whole time. Okay.
She's real fine, my 429. She's real fine, my 429, my 429. Driving down the street in my 67 Ford. Giddy up, 429. Well, we always got our foot to the floor. Giddy up, 429. Well, I'm gonna have me a real bad 429. I know that's not the original, and it's 409 in the original song, but you know, if a guy can't just use his creativity a little bit, what fun would it be? All right then.
Alright, got the grinder out. I am going to kind of just quickly go over the easy areas to access, basically. Yeah, so I guess there's not much more to explain about that. Fine. Okay, garage crew, I think we're all done for this video, for this day of work. I might tootle around in here, but I think we're going to just wrap the video up. I think we got the frame cleaned up pretty well. I'm pretty happy with the results. I think when we come back tomorrow, we got to start addressing these mount issues. We got to weld some stuff up there. Maybe we make a, you know, just a flat plate. Just fix on all of them. And that'll be our 1/4 inch body lift, you know. Start shipping those out across America. Make a few extra doll hairs. I'm gonna weld that up, clean it up. Really, that power washer did a nice job and blasting the scale off the frame. So, once that was done, just kind of run over it with the wire wheel, let it dry out good. Do any final cleaning that I think we need to do, but we get those patches done, and we'll be ready to go ahead and start painting up on this frame. Get that Craigslist patina going. I want to let you guys all know how much I appreciate you hanging out, watching the videos, being part of the process. Projects like these, they're a lot of work, but I find peace in it most of the time when I'm not, throwing stuff across the room. That doesn't happen very often. Anyway, what I'd like for you to do today is just to go out there and be awesome. Use your superpowers that God blessed you with to, be a force of good. Treat people with respect. Show them a little grace. We're all going through life, and it ain't always easy. But again, I appreciate you watching. Hope you had a good time, and I will look forward to seeing y'all on the next video. Thanks for watching.